Hi guys, so if you want to make books like this, and then, of course, you have to start working on these three tools that can be easily made with the help of ChatGPT, Canva, and Gumroad. So for this book creation, with only three tools, you can upload it and you can start earning money. And all you need to do is copy my prompts, paste it, do some designing, and upload it. Then I'm going to tell you to do it hands-on with me, step by step. So firstly, you can copy the prompts that are given in the description by me, which is prompt number 1 and prompt number 2, which I'll be telling you how to put it out. Firstly, let's start it without any further distractions. Firstly, when I go to my ChatGPT, I can take a new entire chat and I'll paste this prompt. This prompt is the first prompt that tells you how to create the book and how to sell this book as well. So if you have any doubt, you can ask it directly. So it will tell you how to create the cover page, the back page, the content, and whatever is needed to be used. Now, I've already pasted this. So it has given me specific kinds of book ideas, like animal adventure coloring books, formation coloring books with cute kawaii, career dream coloring books. So when these all have already been done, you can take this cover page first and you can draft one. Now, firstly, how do you do that in Canva? So you go to custom size or you go to upload, whatever. So you can go to this specific thing and you just go there and you just type a book. And when you type this, it just comes as a book cover and a booklet and a bookmark. But you gotta click the book cover because it can create a book on its own or you can do something else to explore. But it's just way easier to click book cover and just add pages and either you download it in a specific kind of way. Now, when you go here, there be something called templates. But this template is very, very amazing because you can just click on a random template and you can just find it. Like the ABC color book. Now I've got this. Now when I've got this, I can see a lot of options. Now for apps, I like this option, I like this one, I like this one, whatever it is. So for example, I'm pre-attracted to this one. So I'll just click on this and it gives me the front page already. I can just add it here, whatever I want. But like this, I create my cover page, or you can just edit on your own and ask ChatGPT to give you how you want it. Now you can also put the back page. You can do the same thing. So I've already done this in one of a book. So this is my ABC current booklet, which I created for KDP account, not Gumroad, but this is all the same kind you can put in Gumroad. Remember that when you're putting it in KDP, you have to mention the margins, book cover. So this is why that in this video, I'm not going to tell you how to upload it in KDP. I'm going to tell you how to upload it in Gumroad, which is way easier. So I've already created this one. The letters at the end, I can create there and give these things. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of things that I've given at the end. And this is the specific kind of the cover that I've made. Now, what do you have to do next? So after putting this prompt in, creating the cover, and then you have to create the back page. Now, the back page is not necessarily important because in Gumroad, you have the option for only putting the cover page, and after buying it, most people would see the body, the main content. So the cover page is not that important, but if you make it, it's even better. Now, next, what you have to do is very, very simple. It's that you have to download whatever book you have made. And this bookmaking will not take a lot of time, because all you need to do, let's say, for example, here, in the specific prompt, instead of writing ABC coloring booklet, I have written mandala coloring book. So all I need to do will be, I will go here and I'll write mandala coloring, and I'll just search it up, and I'll get these specific options. So let's say if it was a mandala book and this was a page, then I just put this, I'd enlarge it, and I'd write page number 1. The person who would be taking it would print it down and color it. So this is the magic of Canva, and you can just use it on without any instruction. And here, it's okay to not have the free version as well, because a lot of elements here are free too. So for example, this one, and some of them you have to explore, and you'll find out there are some free elements that you can use. Now you just need to go to share, you click download, please click the PDF print. I need to do all of these things, but if you want, you can do signing PDF. You can do Signix or digital use. I use Signix for CM1K for KDP. You can also use RGB, because we are giving them in an ebook form. So I'll just click RGB for Gumroad, and I'll click download. Now it'll take a little bit of time. You can change the title here, but it's not that necessary right now. So now all we need to do is go to Gumroad. Now you have to create a new account. This will look like this, which shows on your first dollar with Gumroad. And so I'll go to the dashboard. You can see I have some product, right? And now I've got this PDF, and it's already downloaded right now, as you can see. Now I'll go to the products section, and I'll click new product. And here you have many things, name, price, and all that stuff. So all you have to do is copy the second prompt, which I've here, and prompt 2, which is this. Now it has everything that you need to put in Gumroad, and you'll just paste it right here, and you'll write the same. Or you could just write on this book. I've created this book. You can just simply write this, and you'll just paste it. Now all it's gonna do is, this is where the things change. Now, for example, if I like this or this or this or this, whatever it is, and like it. So for example, like the first one, I'll just copy it, and I'll take it to Gumroad. And so I'll take it to Gumroad here. Okay. And this is where it looks. And so here's the preview, and here's the everything. Now the description should also have been generated. So here it is. You can increase, you can lengthen, you can do whatever you want. You can alter the prompt as well according to you, which is very important, because it's often that your book should have something unique. Now, and then I've copied it. Now when I say unique, I'm telling this because low content books have lots of competition, especially in means on KDP and Gumroad. So it's very important that you make something unique. Kids today surrounded by screen distraction, self-doubt, but content isn't something that's taught early enough. What it learning ABCs could also build a strong, positive mindset. Now all of this is here, and all you need to do is make it short, make it do whatever you want. But I don't want this, or maybe I just don't want a title or anything. You just cut it out and just paste. Now, this much is okay. Now I'm gonna see this cover. So as you can see, it's written already that the image should be horizontal, at least whatever this pixel is. So just going to Canva, okay? And you're gonna go to custom size. And you're going to write whatever the width into height is. Now you can see 1280 into 720 pixels. 1280 into 720. So we'll just write 1280 into 720. So it came as the virtual background. Now you can just click on it. This is the background that you can create. So often what I do is I take the cover page elements and I often just paste it out. So for that, all you need to do is go to the book that you've made, take all these elements, copy it, and then you go to the untitled. You just paste it here. Now, I'll just take this. You don't take the most important things. I don't think we need this. So I'm just going to delete. Now, I'm going to take this specific part, this one, this one. You can make it even better because I'm doing it as a draft. I'll be doing it as fast as I can. I'll be taking all of this, enlarging it. You can do whatever you want, but it's better to stay safe with the cover page. But you can add your own elements, and I'll be back with making this. So, see you. Okay, this is a very basic one, and if you want, you can create and generate with AI as well. But I specifically did this because I just wanted to see, and it's a very realistic one because whatever is done in the book is right here. Now you can change the color of the background. You can do anything you want with this specific page. Now all you're gonna do is change colors, make it brighter, make it look very awesome. It should look like it's very child friendly. And once it looks like that, you're ready to go. Now you can take any color you want. For example, like I want a very child-friendly type color. Now I take, for example, yellow is a very nice. Others take this, take it randomly, but you have to take time in designing because it's very important. Now, for the other books that I've published, those it should be like those, because there should be a turning point for everyone to see. It should be simple, yet it should be like child friendly because whatever you're making, the card looks for children specifically. Now it's downloaded, so I'll go back to Gumroad and upload which I'm gonna put the computer files. I'll go. It's going to be the cover. Right. Now, as you can see, like this in the thumbnail as well. And you can change the thumbnail to put something very nice. There's something like the call to action, which is the button which you pay, but I want this best. Summary is already given by ChatGPT, as you can see. In the start here. It's a very short and simple thing. I'm just gonna click here. I'm sorry. Now you can add additional details, and you can add instead to put a detail. Put $2.99. It will give you the amount of money you should pay as well. So here you can see it's telling you to put $2.99, so put $2.99. Now there's call to action lines as well. You can put it in the description. You put it you want. So now that we go to Gumroad, you can see if this is there, you can read these options. If you want to do anything, you can allow it. Now go to the content, and this is where you cloned your PDFs. Now you can go to computer files, and you can click whatever you want. Now I'll click the things PDF, and here. So it's here. The person has downloaded to get your content. You can write something you want here. You can write and copy paste the entire document as well. And because you can see, here's the description. here you have to write the title. I'll go back here and I'll write a title. And I'll write the same title that I've put. I'll just copy and then paste. Now, when I go here, it's like this. Now, you can put the description as well. And you can do this if you want, which is not important, I think, because this can be shared. So if it is put, it leaves the audience to not to share it without getting to any credit. So you can do this as well. Now I'll go to the receipt, which is the button text, which during the checkout comes. So if you write something like "thank you for buying," it just shows here as is. Pay for buying. You can write something properly, right? Like something like this as well. Something like this. And you got like custom message here as well, which will display right here. You can write this, you can now I'll go to share option. You have to click on the publish and continue option. And once you publish it, you can share it. You can show it to the outside world. Now, this is how it looks. You can go and preview it. eBook is online, and you can do a bit of marketing here and there. You can put it on Pinterest. You can put it on Facebook and all. And when it comes, it is pretty sure that people will buy it. So that's it for today's video. I hope to learn something. And when your book is created and you've copied the prompt, you've done everything, I think you deserve a clap. So here it is for you. And have a good day. Watch SPX video because you know you need it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.